make it fucking.
Dear love, on the day of our visa appointment, as I was processing my journey abroad, little did I know that the person with me in the elevator at 312 Trident Tower, Makati, Metro Manila, was already my soon-to-be wife.
Me, babe, love. I want to thank you for all those years you've been there for me. Not everyone knows how you've been so good to me. Paano mo ko inalagaan at minahal kasi di naman tayo yung social media type of love. Our love has always been the silent and calm one.
You are a gift and a blessing, and I promise to cherish you and take good care of you, to listen to you with an open mind. And most of all, I promise to love you unconditionally.
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib, si Kath, na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran panghabang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Oh, I can't deny this feeling that won't go away. We called it forever, 'cause I swore it was meant to be. You know I believe you're still the one for me.
Dear love, I can't wait to see you later. I really hope you will like my gift for you. Take care and I love you. Don't stress out. Regards with love. Bin. Thank you. See you later. I once watched a video wherein they mentioned that in our life, we will meet 3 people whom we'll love. So the first one will be the puppy love, and the second one will be the great love. Yung love na will make us feel all those extremes and butterflies. But the third one will be our one true love. Ito daw yung quiet and calm love. Yung hindi kailangan ng extremes kasi your heart will feel secured and at peace. Thank you for showing me that type of love. Thank you for making my heart feel at peace. Salamat kasi ikaw yung pahinga ko.
Sabi niya, kala mo PS5 no? Next time na PS5, magbalik ng London. See you later, love you. Wow! Yes!
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito o upang makiisang dibdib, si Bim, na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
away from home and will always be. I am so excited to build our dreams together. Now, finally, my heart is home. I love you.
I can't wait to see what forever looks like and what the future has in store for us. I have said this to you many times and I will say it again in front of our family and friends. And in all the languages that I know, taamayo contigo, ihigugmati ka, mahal kita, I love you.